In 3, 2, 1. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno, but it was my wedding day. We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky. Bruno walks in with a mischievous grin. Thunder, you tell the story or am I? Bruno says it looks like rain. In doing so, he floods my brain. Married in a hurricane. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. Hey, grew to live and feel Bruno stuttering and stumbling. I can always hear him sort of muttering and mumbling. I associate him with the sound of falling sand. Shh, shh, shh. It's a heavy lift with a gift so humbling. Always left a boiler and the family fumbling. Grappling prophecies that they couldn't understand. Do you understand? 7-foot frame and rats along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams and feasts on your screams. We don't talk about Bruno, no, 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 no. We don't talk about Bruno. He told me my fish would die the next day, dead. He told me I'd grow a gut and look what he said. He said that all my hair would disappear. Look at my head. Your fate is sealed when your prophecy is read. He told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my power would grow like the grapes that thrive on the vine. Yeah, and he told me that the man of my dreams would be just out of reach, betrothed to another. It's like I hear him now. I want not a sound out of you. Bruno, yeah, about that Bruno. I really need to know about Bruno. Give me the truth and the whole truth, Bruno. 7-foot frame and rats along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams and feasts on your screams. You tell him the story or am I? Says it looks like rain. In doing so, he floods my brain. Married in a hurricane. Don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. Why did I talk about Bruno? Not a word about Bruno, no, no, no. I should have never brought up Bruno. We did it. That was such a hard song, but we did it. Thank you, Encanto, for this super hard song. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for We Don't Talk About Bruno from the movie Encanto on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. My analytics show me that over 70% of people that watch these videos and come back and watch more of my videos have not hit that red subscribe button. So please double check down below. If the subscribe button is red, please click it. It will turn gray and you'll be subscribed to the channel. We are getting so much closer to 100,000 subscribers. I think we're like 3,000 away. So please double check. Tell your granny, your abuela, tell your cousins, your nieces, your dog, make a YouTube account for your dog and have them subscribe. Please, let's get to 100,000 super quick. So thank you so much. Also, if you do want to help support this channel, links for the merch. I'm currently wearing the Uke Fam hat and also the Potato Squad hoodie. That will be down below. Also links to this uke, which is the tenor sized Enya ukulele. It's solid mahogany and it's a tenor size. It also does come in concert size. I'll leave both links down below for the concert and tenor. So if you're in the market for a new affordable, super affordable uke, highly recommend Enya Ukulele. Also talking about links in the description are all of my socials. I can't speak. All of my socials will be down in the description below. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM, letting me know what video came from. And also, lastly, please leave your song recommendations down in the comments below. I love listening to your recommendations, and maybe, just maybe, the next video might be your song or subject that you requested. So make sure to leave that in the comments below. Leave some love. That helps out boost this video out more. And yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Ciao. Adios.